advanced to the point where many cancers can be successfully managed. And mine is successfully being managed. The diagnosis of cancer is a life-changing moment, but it is no longer a death sentence, necessarily. It provides an opportunity for appreciating, provides me with an opportunity for appreciating each new day and the likelihood of being able to grow older, to grow old with my loved ones, to watch my children grow up, and to enjoy my grandkids, who I don't have yet, but I'm looking forward to. My mother was deprived of all that, as the cancer had already ravaged her before the surgeon's knife made the incision. But my cancer was caught in time. I had the chance to live to an old age, and I wish my mom had had that chance. If I can enjoy living my life as fully as possible, I think this is the best gift I can give to my mother.